Auntie, please.
Please let me do that. Hello guys, my sister is here. So I'm about to jump on this sisiyemmie's 1,500 feed a family of 5 challenge. I'm going right now to the market just in case they act funny or if I get shy. I have my dad. That's my sister. If you would like to see a sister tag, please drop for me in the comment section. By the way, she makes the best small chops in Lagos. Check out Ibinicious Food and Events. Guys, let's go to the market quickly. 1.5, can you see? 1.5. So we are going to buy everything together out of 1.5, and I'm going to ask a few people if they think 1,500 can cook a pot of food for a family of 5 this 2022. I have my list here, so let me start buying. I want to buy tin tomato. Please, how much is Erica? How much? 450 for 1 roll. I need 2. Give me 2. That's 200. So I'm buying Erica 200. Okay, that's 1. Please give me Maggi Jollof. How much is 1 sachet? Just 1. So I bought Maggi Jollof 15. I hope you are doing the calculation with me. We bought tin tomato 2 and 1 Maggi Jollof. You have masala curry 1 sachet. How much is 1 sachet? 250 naira. I just want 1. Okay, I'll take 1 because I'm on a budget. Thank you. So I need power oil or any sachet oil. Do you have King's oil? Power oil. How much is 1? Okay, I'll buy 1. Do you have not chicken? How much is not chicken? 250 naira. It's not 20 naira again. Not chicken is no longer 20 naira per 1. Okay, give me. I bought power oil 100 naira. Not chicken 2 is 50 naira. Madam, but please, do you think 1,500 can cook a pot of food for a family of 5 this 2022? I didn't hear you. It won't be enough, Abby. But I have a challenge to do, so I will try if it's enough. Do you sell Bailey? You have 15 naira Bailey. Thank you. Bailey 15 naira. So I bought Bailey 15 naira. I'm already sweating. The market is hot. Please, I want to buy meat. You sell 200 naira meat. Eh? Is it 200 naira meat? You don't think cut fresh one from your pen. You don't say Nigeria, now everybody they manage. You and I, you be over. Let me see 300 naira. Oh, 300 naira meat. I need this quantity like this. Sell for me 400. And like this. These 2 like this. How much? 1,000 naira for these 2. So I should be going. It's as if you go and buy fish. Let's go to chicken and see if they will give me chicken. How much is this one? 100 naira per 1. 1 meat like this 100 naira. Can I buy 5 for 300? How much will you give me for 300? What of 4 for 300? You can give me 4. You can't give me 4. Let me go and see. I tried my luck again, but they said no. So we have 1,000. We have 1,020 naira left. I want to buy turkey or chicken. Auntie, madam, I want to buy chicken. How many kilos? Maybe quarter. I want to buy chicken of 400. 400 naira. Yes. What of turkey? No 400 naira. Go. Auntie, please. No, I want to see if I can get sour fish. I'm not sure I can cope with this embarrassment. So we have 1,020 naira left. Let me price this one. Mama, well done, ma. Please, I want to buy sour fish. How much? 1. How much? 600, 500. 500. And I like this one. Can you give me this one for 300? Okay. How much is that? And my budget is 350. How much last? How much last? We are taking 450. Oh yeah, please make I take am 400, Mama, please. Please now. No, this one. Please, this one. We have 5 in our house. We need to eat. Yeah, you manage it. This one can cost 5, please. Please. Oh yeah, Mama, no thanks. I be your daughter. I beg. I know now, but you cannot say that you ever. I beg, no way. Just 15 naira. Just 15. Let me remove that 15 naira. 400. I beg. I will still go and buy rice here. Please. 1 jerrycan of rice is 600. If you give me that 100 naira now, I'll add it here to buy 1 jerrycan of rice. I beg. Okay, next time I will not bring 400. Thank you, ma'am. So, guys, we got this big. See this picture. See that woman that followed me. Show that woman. Show that woman. I'll follow you. Mama, not marry. Not vex. Never marry. Guys, we got this shower, this big shower for 400 naira. Of course, I had to plead with Mama. And that woman that did not sell the chicken and turkey, she still followed me to this place. I don't know what I'm going to this woman. No. Thank you, Mama. We'll go and cut it at home. Thank you so much. That you help us. Yes, they will help us. God will help all of us. So we have 620 now. Let's go to the right. I'll give me one big one, one small one, 50 now. I beg now. Make una dey pity everybody for this country now. So okay, give me this big one, 50 now. Only one. Please now. I go find change for you. You dey do shakara for me, and now you dey. I beg, I get budget. You go give me pieces small. You know that be your sister. Thank you. Okay, guys, I was able to get this for 50 naira. Let me go and look for change for him. In the market here, sellers are the chairmen, so I'll go and look for change for him. Madam, well done. Well done, madam. Please, can you change me to 15 naira? No change. Please now, please. Is it because I didn't buy anything from you?
Change is too expensive. Change there. 15 naira will be over for market now.
Oh yeah, please. Please, I just want to give the person I bought onions from.
Madam, I get change like this.
Thank you, Mao. Thank you, Mao. 250 naira, just 2.
Yeah, madam.
What's your name? And your phone number? Can you call it out?
Yes.
What?
070.
Yes.
47.
Yes.
73.
Yes.
4135.
Okay. So her name is Faith, and she sells different things. You can see what she sells. If you want to buy in bulk, please patronize her. She's a nice person. At least she gave me change. Say no. She said no 15 naira rodo. Madam, please now. Make I kneel down for you. She said even if I kneel down, she won't sell. Madam, I beg. Half. She said she can't sell. No. Half jerrycan 350. Can you sell half jerrycan plus this one for me for 400? Please. I want to buy rodo in the market. Market people don't pity people. I know you are nice. You pity me.
I'm not nice though.
Why don't, Mama?
Look have another one.
I beg.
Like that.
And this rice looks nice. Is this imported?
It's not this one. It's the other one.
Is that one tiny?
Yes.
That one is a big rice.
Yes.
So this one is more expensive.
Yes.
So 1 cup and this one for 400, please. 400. I don't. You put 50. You put big and 50. Give me everything 50 naira. Oh yeah, sell this one 50 naira. It's too small though. Add it now. Oh yeah, give me, tie it in nylon. Ginger and garlic paste for 50 naira, and we have 20 naira left. Let's go home. I'll show you everything I got. I just got back from the market and I quickly started to prep. I've already washed the rice and sieved it. For the onions, I diced this and I sliced this. And of course, the fish we got for 400 naira. It was quite big. The scotch bonnet has been grated. We have 20 naira change, and since I had salt at home, I just took out some for the 20 naira. And the bay leaf, we wouldn't be using so much of this. The power oil and the tin tomatoes, masala curry, the ginger and garlic powder, Maggi jollof, and our knorr cubes. So I add in the water and I add in the fish, a little bit of onions, Maggi, which is known as knorr cubes, masala curry, a little bit of the ginger and garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to cover it right now and just allow it to boil. Our oil we got, I'm going to start preparing the jollof rice right now. So add in the onions. I'm going to give this a little stir. So from the bay leaf we got, I'll just add about 3. Add the ginger and garlic powder and the Maggi jollof, the masala curry. Give it a stir again. Add the tin tomatoes. Please ignore the children in the background. You're going to fry this for about 5 to 8 minutes. So checking on our fish right now. So the fish is ready, and I'm going to sieve out the water right now so that we can use it for the jollof rice to make it tastier. So our tin tomato has fried for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add in the scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a stir. Allow it fry for about 2 minutes. This is the fish stock we got from that fish. You can see it's so rich. It's going to make this jollof rice tastier. I will add that first. So I'll taste it right now. I'll add water. After adding the water, I'll check for the taste to make sure that the flavor is right. If I need salt or seasoning, I'm going to add that, which I'm about to do right now. So we have the nut chicken powder left. That goes in. And a pinch of salt. The taste is perfect, and I'm going to cover it right now and bring it to a boil before we add in our rice. I'm going to check right now, and it has been boiling. I have my rice here. I'll pour that. You can see I already washed it. I'm just going to add that. We're wasting nothing. Remember, nothing must waste. I'm just going to scrape every single grain. Just kidding, into the pot. Give it a slight mix. Yeah, and this water should be fine to cook this jollof rice. Otherwise, I'll add a little water. So I like to check, be sure that the water I'm using is not too much. Yeah, so I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook. I'll come back and check it after 15 minutes. So let's check on the rice. It's 15 minutes after, and our rice is almost ready. So I'll need a little more water because the rice is still very hard. So that means that this rice is going to swell up properly. I'm sure it's going to double or triple the initial size. So we're just going to cover it again and come back after 5 to 10 minutes. So let's check our rice. You can see the color of our jollof rice. Our jollof rice is almost ready. I'm just going to give it a stir. So let's check the rice. It's not soggy at all. Our rice is ready now. Let's check. Let's taste it. Mmm. 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 This tastes so yummy. Let's serve this. Let's serve this because I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Let's try the caterer style method. Or should we just skip this style? So I'm going to dish everything. I'll be the one eating the fish head. I'm hungry. 1,500 naira for a family of 5. What do you guys think? Do you think I nailed it? You have fish on everyone's plate. Look at how big the fish is. What do you guys think? Join me as I, dig into this delicious. I dey cook, forget. I'm a good cook. Give me 200 naira, I will manage it and I will cook something delicious for you. I'm just joking, not in this 2022. But this really is tasty. I wish I could get someone to who can I call to just taste this and just tell you guys how delicious it is.